Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some hidden toggles that you might have missed on Dress to Impress just in general. So I didn't know about this until like yesterday when I was playing, but these like square glasses, they actually transform into circle like Harry Potter glasses, which I think is super cool, and I just realized this and I could have used this for many of my outfits. Instead I used the round ones from VIP, which is also good, but it's not like this, you know. And then what else is toggleable? Oh, this item here is toggleable. I think you probably would know that already if you're on the VIP one. And then this this one is toggleable. There's the default and the non-default one. And what else? Oh, these shoes, I just realized a few days ago you can like make them flat. Like here, there's like a flat toggle to that. So honestly, just play around with some of the items because there are like new toggles that Dress to Impress doesn't really like tell you that much about it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It's mostly for the glasses. And also I did find the hoop earrings, which are now placed here. Yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.